So I come down to my house, which my cousin's been using. I open the garage door, and this is what I see. What we're looking at is a I believe it's a 91 300ZX, which in those days was quite a car, and it still is. I really like this car. You could really work these up to a lot of horsepower. It's in the middle of being restored, it seems. Let's take a look at the engine. Oh wow, this is nice. Yeah, this car was quite an ass kicker in his day. Here are the Diablo headlights, and the reason why the Diablo has a little carbon fiber cover right about here, from here to here, is because it says Nissan. So that's funny. Now I should mention that this car has four-wheel steering. Okay, so 1991 or but it's quite a car. It's got T-tops. The inside needs to be redone. But I mean, it is a 20-something-year-old car. So I don't like old cars. Let me put it that way. I do not like old cars. But some of them, there are some models that are worth at least looking into. And this is one of them. Now this says, I believe it's a Borlow system, which I helped my cousin buy. I hooked him up to buy it back in '92 or whatever it was. It still looks brand new. Okay, sounds great. It's just a great car all around. So I might just make him an offer on it. I don't know. Then of course I'm gonna ask for help from you guys viewing this, as far as doing stuff on it or what it's even worth. Okay. Let's see what this baby sounds like. This thing purrs. This thing really purrs, man. I like it. You know, this may be a project. Let me know what you think. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. If you don't want to do that, leave me a comment. Let me know. Let's rev it up one time. Thanks for watching.